पूर्व इतिहास भूलिनु सकल सेवा सुखते मने आमी तो तोमार तुमी तो आमार की काज अपराधने I completely forget my past history. Past is past, gone is gone. Huh? Isn't it? Let the dead past bury its dead. This saying is there, isn't it? Let the dead past bury its dead. Huh? Don't lament for the past, Mr. Larry. It's gone, is gone. Past means past, dead past. Let the dead past bury its dead. Now you have got a new birth. You are not Mr. Larry. Huh? You are Krishna Das now. In new birth. Purva itihasa bhulilu sakala seva sukha pen. Oh, I am completely forgetful of my past history now, O Lord. I am completely new birth, new person. I am your servant now, Krishna Das. In the past I was Maya Das, but I am Krishna Das now. It's completely gone. Past. Do you understand? Because I am engaged in loving service, I am getting so much happiness, enjoyment and blissfulness in executing your service. You are mine, I am yours, O Lord. Best, this is one relationship. O Lord Krishna, you are mine, I am yours. No other relationship. Finished. This is the new birth. Complete dedication. Bhakati vinoda anande dubya. Tomar sevaro tore सब चेष्टा करे तब इच्छा मत थाकिया तोमार घरे. Bhakti Vinod Thakur says, now Bhakti Vinod Thakur is free from all anxiety, all lamentation, all fear, all distress. He is in Krishna's home, he is in Krishna's sansar, completely engaged in Krishna loving service. What Krishna wills, thus he does that thing. He has no separate will. Do you follow me? He has no separate. Give up your separate will, Mr. Larry. Mix your will with the will of Krishna. That says. Tomar ichha more ichha misailo bhakti vinodada apone bhulilo. Today Bhakti Vinod Thakur completely forgot himself. Mixing uniting his will, tiny will, with the supreme will of Krishna. No more separate will. No more separate will. Do you understand? The tiny jiva has always separate will. Do you understand, Mahaprabhu Das? No more separate will. It's completely Krishna's will. I combine mix my own tiny will with the supreme will of Krishna. Tomar ichha. Tomar gruhetebe ami kariba so. Ami hoinu daso. He says, now I become your das. Now I am in your home, your world. You are my eternal master, I am your eternal servant. So I have only one business, to serve your lotus feet and give you enjoyment and pleasure. Nothing for mine, nothing for me, not for my enjoyment and my pleasure. Everything is for your enjoyment, your pleasure. Do you understand, Mr. Larry? That is what. তোমার সুখেতে চেষ্টা এখন আমার থুল লিঙ্গ দেহে মোর সুকৃত দুষ্কৃত আর মোর নহে প্রভু আমি তো নিষ্কৃত I am not doing anything for me. Why shall I be responsible for it? Why shall the reaction will come to me? Because I am not doing anything for me, I am doing everything for you, for your enjoyment and happiness under the guidance of your representative, bona fide representative Guru Dev. So no more reaction will come. Karmanyevadhikaras. The Mahaprabhu. Jagnarthat karmananyatra lokayam karma bandhana. Gita. Isn't it? Jagnarthat karmananyatra lokayam karma. If your activities are meant for Jagya, do you understand? You are working for Jagya Purush. The enjoyer of Jagya, Vishnu, Bhagavan Vishnu, Krishna, under the expert guidance of a bona fide Guru, there is no more karmic reaction. No, finished. That he says. Thula linga dehe mora sukruta duskruta amar noy. Prabhu, ami to niskruta. Oh Lord, I am not doing anything for myself. I am doing everything for you. So why? I will be responsible for that work. For reaction. No. I am not doing. Do you follow my language? Mr. Lari? I'm not doing anything for me. Huh? I'm doing everything for you. Under the guidance of your representative, bona fide representative, Guru. So why such a reaction will come to me? Krishna said it will never come. If your activities are Jagya Karma. If it is not Jagya Karma, the reaction will come to you. You understand? Mr. Lari, understand? Huh? Yes.